So hey, it's Nathan SEZ time, right? Your favorite time of the day or whatever the fuck. Maybe you want to put a fucking solid state drive in your fucking desktop. Or maybe you want to put it in your laptop, which I had in there. Or maybe you just need to change the battery in your laptop. Or maybe you need to add some SATA cable to fucking hook this shit up to that, or what the fuck ever, right? Check this little kit out here. Now I happen to get this one at Menards. It's a box store, you know, a fucking, like a Lowe's or Home Depot, but I got this little kit that has all these intricate little pieces in here, like all the little sizes and bullshit you'll need. They even, I'm pretty sure, yes, they even have holes in them for specialty shit. I don't know if you can see that, but like, if you pull out a bit here, it's actually got a little hole in it in case you got some kind of specialty Torx bullshit. This stupid little kit, which was like, I don't even think it was 20 bucks, has, look at all these different sizes of fucking Torx, square, round, anything and everything you would ever fucking need. And then you even get this cool little screwdriver, and when you're sitting there, you can spin the fucker. Look at that, look at it, ooh. You got little fucking plastic pieces if you're trying to split your case. You want to be gentle. Here's another one, little angled one. You can get in there, split your shit open. Or maybe you want to be brutal and you're just like, let me in, motherfucker. And you take this and you just spoon your way into these fucking laptops. Like when you pop these screws here, you have to fucking get in tight there to... So, I've used the shit out of this little kit, and I swear to God it wasn't even 20 bucks when I bought it. Pretty sure you can get something like this on Amazon. I don't know what the fuck it's called, but it's just a little electrical device kit. I highly advise you pick one of these up. So yeah, that's my unlimited tip of the day or whatever the fuck. I don't post them every day, but I think you get it. Right, see ya. Oh, wait. It even comes with a little fucking magnet. So when you're working on your little ass shit, you could put your little bolts on here, which is sick as fuck. And it works too, like... Let's see if it works on something bigger. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it even came with this stupid little magnet to hold your little bolts and shit. So yeah, get one. It's nice having the right tools for shit. This just sits here dormant in my toolbox. But every now and then I get a wild hair up my ass. I pull a computer apart or pull a phone apart. I did a video of this if you want to see what the fuck I did here. So yeah, that's enough. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.
No limits, no script. Just sit around and watch me build some shit. Nathan Unlimited. What the fuck?